Log in the software, input the password 999. Create a department and input the necessary information. Then confirm the information for that department. Then go to Create a Worker. Click Add Worker and input necessary information. Select the appointed department. Please remember to select the mobile icon at platform. Then enable the audit function if you need. Input the username. Please remember that this name is used to log in the mobile app. The default password is 123. After these settings we can go to mobile phone to set keys and locks. Log in the app by username and password. You could type the server address or use your camera to scan the code on the software by clicking the settings on the corner. Now we log in the main page and begin to register the Bluetooth key. Click the key registration. Switch on the Bluetooth key. Input the key name. Then click Register. Key registration successful. Then we begin to register the lock. Please click the lock registration. Switch on the Bluetooth key and use the key to touch the lock. You can get the lock ID and input the lock name. Lock registration successful. Before we go to work, we need to take out the key from the software platform. Please choose the department, the lock switch you want to unlock. Select workers and time schedule. You could choose whether you want to unlock the lock anytime or in the specific period. After finish all the necessary settings, you could check the work schedule here. And you also can name it. Then we can go to unlock the lock. On the app platform you will find a notice at icon My Task. Please click that and choose the lock you want to unlock. You will be asked for switch on the key, then choose the key on the mobile screen. Then you could unlock and lock the lock. Each time when you touch the cylinder, the key will give you a beep notification. And you also could see the operation on the mobile screen. Finally, we could check the operation record at the software platform as well. You could see the operation time, the responsible person, the lock. All is easy and clear.